What's up guys? I'm back again today with another makeup video. Today is a Valentine's Day special, as it is Valentine's Day. So if you would like to see how I got this look, keep on watching. I started off with a moisturizer from Boscia and applied it all over my face with my fingers. To prime my face, I used a product from Ole Henriksen. For foundation, I went in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Fair Beige, and using a damp beauty blender, I buffed it into my skin. Using my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Concealer in the shade Fair Light, I applied concealer to my blemishes and underneath my eyes. To set my under eyes, I used the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder in the shade Translucent. Using my Tarte Clay Play contouring palette, I mixed the colors Desert and Terracotta to contour my face. Using an angled blush brush, I took my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Feisty and applied it to my cheeks. Using a fluffy highlighting brush, I took my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Highlighter in the shade Stunner and applied it just above my blush, down the center of my nose, on the tip of my nose, on top of my lip, and on my chin. To fill in my brows, I used the Brow by Benefit Cream Gel Brow in the shade 3, and I used the angled brush that came with it. After filling in my brows, I used a spoolie brush to even out the product. For eyeshadow today, I applied the color His Devil to my crease from the Naked Urban Decay Heat palette. Starting off with a base color for my lids, I used a pink shade from the eyeshadow palette by Jessie's Girl. To go over top the base shade by Jessie's Girl, I used a sparkly champagne pink color from the 24 Karat Nudes Maybelline New York palette. I used a champagne illuminizer color from the Balm Cosmetics and applied it to my brow bones and the inner corners of my eyes. Back to the Naked Heat palette, I used the shade En Fuego to use as a definer under my eyes. At this point, your eyes are looking really good. You could add some mascara and you'll be all set. However, we're not quite finished. I used the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion, and I'm praying that my eyeliner will be perfect. And don't forget to give thanks when your eyeliner finally looks good and matches. Moving on to lashes, I curled my eyelashes and then applied the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Sticking with the pink theme of today, you can choose whichever lipstick you have lying around. I started off with a Milani lip liner in the shade Bordeaux, and then filled in my lips with an Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. To set my eyebrows today, I used the 24-Hour Brow Setter by Benefit. And to set my face today, I used the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. And that is it for today's video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified when I upload next. I'll see you guys in the next one.